Welcome back to QuizMed. Can you pass this ultimate food safety expert challenge? You have 40 questions to answer, and each one comes with just 5 seconds on the clock. If you answer correctly, you move on. Let's see who can master food handling and hygiene the fastest. Does boiling kill all bacteria? No. Some toxins survive boiling temperatures. Is ice cream safe if refrozen? No. Texture and safety can be compromised. Should chicken be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit? No. It must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe. Should you wash fruits before storing? No. Wait to wash just before eating. Do wooden spoons harbor bacteria? Yes, they can absorb and trap bacteria. Bonus round. Would you rather like this video and subscribe for an extra life, or reject the offer by saying no in the comments? Can you smell all spoiled foods? No, some harmful bacteria don't smell. Is it safe to eat rare pork? No. Pork must be cooked to at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Should eggs be refrigerated? Yes. Refrigeration prevents salmonella growth. Is it okay to wash raw chicken? No. Washing spreads bacteria to surfaces. Can cooked rice cause food poisoning? Yes. Bacillus cereus can grow in rice. Tin cans can be heated directly. True or false? False. Heating cans may release harmful chemicals. Green potato skin is safe to eat. True or false? False, it contains solanine, which is toxic. Plastic containers leach chemicals. True or false? True, especially when microwaved or heated. Lemon juice kills bacteria. True or false? False. It may reduce growth, not fully kill bacteria. Brown color on meat is always bad. True or false? False. Color change isn't always spoilage. Wooden boards need oiling. True or false? True. Oiling prevents cracking and bacteria growth. Freezer burn food is unsafe. True or false? False. It's safe, but may taste bad. Flour is a food safety risk. True or false? True. Raw flour can contain harmful bacteria. Meat should rest after cooking. True or false? True. Resting retains juices and finishes cooking. You should sniff food to test safety. True or false? False. Some dangerous bacteria have no smell. Bonus round. Who is most likely to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Quiz Med channel? Can you refreeze thawed meat? Yes. If thawed in fridge, it's safe to refreeze. Is honey safe for infants? No. Risk of botulism in babies under 1. Do you need to wash bagged salad? Yes. Better safe to rinse before eating. Can expired canned food be safe? Yes. If the can is intact and the expiry date is a best by date, is cross-contamination a real risk? Yes. It spreads bacteria between foods. Can you marinate meat at room temp? No. Always marinate meat in fridge. Do leftovers last a week? No. Consume leftovers within 3 to 4 days. Should you thaw meat on counter? No. Bacteria multiply at room temperature. Is medium rare steak safe? Yes. Steak is safe at 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Break time. Do you enjoy watching this health quiz channel? I'm sure you do. Should cutting boards be sanitized? Yes. Sanitize to kill harmful bacteria. Is pink chicken always unsafe? No. Color isn't reliable. Check internal temp. Can reheated food make you sick? Yes. Improper reheating can harbor bacteria. Should raw meat be above veggies? No. Meat should be below to prevent drips. Do eggs float when spoiled? Yes. Floating eggs indicate gas from spoilage. Can you store hot food directly in the fridge? No. To prevent the fridge temperature from rising, which could encourage bacteria growth. Does salt preserve food? Yes. Salt inhibits bacterial growth. Is it safe to defrost food in hot water? No. It brings it into the temperature danger zone, where bacteria multiply rapidly. Is raw cookie dough safe? No. Raw eggs and flour pose risks. Can garlic and oil be dangerous? Yes. Risk of botulism without acid. Thanks for watching. Drop your score and comment below. Start your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe to QuizMade channel for more healthy contents. See you on the next one.